How to work solar-powered LED light for daytime circuit. Working of solar-powered LED light for daytime circuit. In this circuit, a solar panel, solar plate, is used as the direct power source for the LED during daylight. When sunlight falls on the solar panel generates voltage, typically 5 volts to 6 volts depending on your panel. The current flows through the LED, causing it to light up. The 1 kilo-ohm resistor limits the current flowing through the LED, protecting it from overcurrent which could damage the LED. This simple design allows the LED to operate only during daytime using solar power, without any batteries or complex switching circuits. That was the working of our circuit. Simple and easy to understand. How to make solar-powered LED circuit. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit Book of Technical channel again.